Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. If you buy a trunk and an anchoring cable lock at the same time, we're going to go ahead and install that anchoring cable lock here at our factory. But if you already own a trunk and you want to install an anchoring cable lock, I'll show you how you can do that at home. So the first thing to do is to determine where you want to install the anchoring cable lock. Generally what we'll do is we'll come off of this corner protector about an inch out, maybe an inch up. But you can pick from this side, you do the other side. If you want, you can even put it in the back or the lid of the trunk. It's really just your preference and what you think is going to fit your needs the best. Okay. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill through the sidewall of the trunk all the way through. You'll want to probably run your drill back and forth a little bit on the outside to clean up any metal. The metal can be pretty sharp, so just make sure that you're cleaning all that off. From there, you can just vacuum out the inside of your trunk, and then we're ready to install the anchoring cable lock. Put the eye bolt through the hole that you drilled, put a washer on, and then the wing nut. Tighten down that wing nut, and you just installed your anchoring cable lock.